And without all contradiction, the less is blessed of the better. Hebrews chapter 7 verses 7. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So in this video, I'd like to share with you how I made this chicken stew with little or no oil. So yes, it's time to save up some coins for your oil and your tomato paste. They come a little bit pricier during this season, and also it is very healthy. It's one of the healthiest options. So I want you to stick around, and let's make this happen. It is absolutely delicious. And these are the very few list of ingredients that I'll be using for this stew. I have here my hen, the hot chicken, that is what I love to use, and I have my fresh tomatoes here as well. I wanted to have this made in a bulk, so I also added 1 chopped canned tomatoes to it as well. And here are some list of vegetables, seasoning, and each and every ingredient will be listed below in the description box. Of course, not forgetting our salt and our oil. To begin with, I am going to season my chicken with some chopped onions, all-purpose seasoning, and my shrimp vegetable seasoning or tablet that I've also shared the recipe here. I also added a little bit of curry powder and some salt to taste. I am going to cover this and allow it to cook on a low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. I want the chicken to release its own natural juices, which I absolutely love. The aroma in here is absolutely divine. I am going to stir it once again to make sure that I do not burn the bottom of the pot, and I'm going to add in lots of water, enough to cook this chicken nice and soft. All right, I'll add 1 dried bay leaves just for flavor, cover it and allow it to cook for the next 30 minutes or so. While at it, I'm going to cut my tomatoes into round shapes like this. Please cut it into any forms and shapes that you prefer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake this in the oven until they are very nice and soft and cooked through. If you do not have an oven, do not worry, you can cook it on your stove or your cold pot. That also works very well. And to that, I'll add my bell peppers, onions, garlic, and my peppers as well. I'm going to splash my canned chopped tomatoes here as well because I wanted this to be made in bulk. All right, if not, you can definitely do away with that. I'll splash a little bit of oil on top, and it is going in the oven at 175 degrees for just 15 minutes. All right, so now our chicken is looking good. We have our stock, which is lovely. It's going to make this stew so delicious. The aroma in here is just perfection. I'm going to take the chicken out and also save the stock, which is very important for the stew recipe. All right, we're going to make this chicken rest for a while, and I will be shallow frying this chicken. I only use 1/4 cup of oil, not too much. We do not need that much. Okay, this is to get the beautiful brown color of the chicken. I love to saute it this way because it just bring out that juiciness from the chicken as well. However, if you do not enjoy your chicken fried, you can absolutely skip this part. Or if you do but you do not want to use oil, do not worry, you can pop it up in your oven or your air fryer. It will do amazing job. Now I'm very pleased with that beautiful brown color of this chicken. It's absolutely beautiful, and you can also see that it has not soaked up all the oil. This is because I was sauteing this on a very low to medium heat. Okay, so I will do that and repeat until every single chicken has this beautiful brown color to it. All right, so we are done with sauteing our chicken. They look absolutely wonderful, and our oil is golden. Please do not throw it away. So now our vegetables are nicely and beautifully cooked in the oven. I will call it baked. They are beautiful baked in the oven, and they are ready to go to the next step. I'm going to take out all my cloves of garlic, which I absolutely love the tenderness. It brings out so much flavor to the stew. I'm going ahead to grate my ginger here as well. To me, ginger is really key in your chicken stew. Do not omit it. It's absolutely amazing, especially when it's fresh and organic like this. So once I'm done, I'll just put everything in a bowl and we are going to blend it. I'm using my hand blender, which I absolutely love, but you can go ahead and use your standard blender as well. Mind you, don't let it be super smooth, okay? This is because we are not going to be using any tomato paste in this recipe, so you want it to be a bit thicker and very nice texture as well. All right, so this is the perfect consistency we are going for, and from here everything gets very easy. You will be adding the oil that you saute your chicken in. Just in case you did not saute your chicken, all you need to add is just a quarter cup of oil, and as compared to this amount of stew we're making, the oil is nothing. Okay, so now we're going to add our blended tomatoes, peppers and onions, and the garlic as well, not forgetting the bell peppers. Okay, everything is in here, and we are going to be adding our chicken stock. And now you get to choose any flavor enhancer of choice. Here I use just some nutmeg, curry powder, all pepper seasoning, and my bay leaves. I mix everything together, and I am going to cover this and allow it to cook and just, you know, reduce the amount of water content in here. When I tell you this stew making is time saving, believe me, it is so amazing. This was 20 minutes of it just cooking, and it smells amazing already. I'm going to start making sure that I do not burn the button, and then introduce my chicken here. It is going to make the stew even thicker by adding your chicken at this point, and cover it once again and allow it to cook for an extra 10 minutes. Voila, check this out. We see a little bit of oil on top, which is a sign that the stew is almost ready. So go in with any garnish of choice. I chose some onions and some scotch bonnet pepper. Of course, it is absolutely delicious. Just, you know, clean everything, make it look nice, and cover it. Allow it to slowly simmer through for about 5 minutes, and you will see the beautiful glow and loveliness of the stew. It is so good, fam. You need to try. Look how beautiful the consistency is. This is the almighty stew for the festive season. You do not have to sweat. You do not have to overwork yourself when you're making stew. Choose this way and you will love it. Just look at this. So good. We saved our cans on the oil and tomato paste, didn't we? Yes, we did. It's absolutely amazing. So right now it's time to serve. You can have this with some boiled yam, plantain, and you name it. It's so good. Today we decided to go the simple way with some white rice, a little bit of grated carrots on top as my salad, and it was so good. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. I truly appreciate your time. It's always an honor and a blessing to have you here. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. You never know who you're going to be great help to. Okay, share it and let me see your comment below and let me know how you like it. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye.